Hello everyone, I am Rahul and I am back again with another interesting video this weekend. In this video, I am going to talk about the Katalon Studio. This tool has become quite popular in last couple of years and lot of companies have started using this tool as a solution for their test automation. And the reason behind the popularity of this tool is the amount of feature it provides for the test automation. To continue to provide such kind of feature for the test automation, Katalon Studio team has come up with a survey. And based on this survey, they are going to decide what should be the new feature to be included in the roadmap of this tool. So please do take the survey. The link to the survey is present in the description of this video. Also, when you take the survey, you can win some merchandise from the Katalon Studio team. For the first 100 people who are going to respond this survey, they can win $10 Amazon gift card, 3 months of free subscription for Katalon Studio Enterprise Edition, and a Katalon Studio exclusive t-shirt. So please do take the survey and share your thoughts.